how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and taking good care of yourself. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, the story of Amrita. In this chapter, we will learn who was Amrita. About 300 years ago from today, Amrita was a girl who lived in Khejri village, and Khejri village is situated near Jodhpur city of Rajasthan. Why it named Khejri? Because there were many Khejri trees in that village, so its name called Khejri. People of Khejri village said that if trees are there, so only then we can survive. Why they are telling this? Because trees are very important. And in this chapter we will learn about importance of trees also. How trees are important for us. Why do we plant trees? So we plant trees for many purposes because trees are very important for us. They are giving us many useful things like we get fruits, flowers, vegetables, etc. from trees, and trees purify the air, they bring rain, and trees are homes of various birds and animals. So trees are very important in our life, and in the same manner, likewise trees, animals are also useful in our lives. We are depending on animals for clothing and for food. We are getting milk and honey, eggs from the animals. So in this way, for food we are depending on animals, and for clothing also. Like we are getting fur and wool from the animals. So animals are also useful in our lives. So we will learn in this chapter about the importance of animals, and then we will learn about incident of Khejri village. One day the king's men came to the village with axes to cut the trees, and Amrita and the other villagers protested by putting their arms around the trees, and they sacrificed their lives. And this agitation is known as Chipko movement. So this we will learn in this chapter, and we will learn about our primary duties. As we all know, animals and human beings are directly or indirectly depend on environment. So it is our primary duty to save the environment, to save the trees, and we should be sympathetic towards animals and plants. So these are our basic duties, and that we will learn in this chapter. So let's start with the story of Amrita. This is a story from long ago, about 300 years ago. From today. Jodhpur. Where is Jodhpur located? Jodhpur is situated in Rajasthan. Jodhpur is the district of Rajasthan, and near it lies a village called Khejri. What was the name of the village? Khejri. So why it is known as Khejri? Because there were many खेजड़ी trees. उस गांव में क्या बहुत सारे खेजड़ी के पेड़ थे. So that's why the village is named Khejri. People of the village took great care of animals and plants. और इस गांव के खेजड़ी विलेज के जो लोग थे वो प्लांट्स की और एनिमल्स की बहुत ही केयर करते थे. What are the people of this village used to say? People used to say, if trees are there, then only we can survive. So what is the people of this village say? So if trees are there, then only we can survive. Means then only we can live. यानी तभी हम जीवित रह सकते हैं. Why the people of Amrita's village means village Khejri used to say this? If trees are there, then only we can survive. Because trees are very important for us. So here I am explaining you about the importance of trees. Trees give us fruits, flowers, vegetables, wood, etc. So many important things, many useful things we are getting from the trees, and trees bring rain. Trees bring rain. So in this way trees are very useful, and trees purify the air. यानी कि वो हवा को शुद्ध बनाते हैं. They keep the environment clean and beautiful. And trees provide us wood for furniture also. They give us shade too, and trees provide homes to various animals and birds. So in this way trees are very useful for us, so we should plant more and more trees. The next topic is Amrita's friends, means Amrita के दोस्त. Amrita would get up early every morning and greet her friends, the trees. Amrita रोज सुबह सुबह जल्दी उठ जाती थी और उसके फ्रेंड से मिलती थी. Who were her friends? Yes, the trees. कौन थे उसके दोस्त? तो पेड़ उसके दोस्त थे, ट्रीज थे उसके दोस्त. She would choose a special tree for the day, और वो हर रोज एक स्पेशल ट्री चूज करती थी, मीन्स एक खास पेड़ पसंद करती थी. And put her arms around the tree trunk, और वो अपने आर्म्स ट्री ट्रंक के आसपास लपेट देती थी, आसपास रख देती थी. And whisper means to say something in quiet manner. Friend, you are strong and beautiful. कि दोस्त तुम बहुत ही मजबूत हो और सुंदर हो. You care for us, और तुम हमारी क्या करते हो? केयर करते हो, मीन्स हमारी देखभाल करते हो. And I love you very much, और मैं तुमसे बहुत प्यार करती हूँ. Make me also like you, यानी मुझे भी अपने जैसा स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाओ, अपने जैसा ब्यूटीफुल बनाओ. And she is playing all day in the shade of trees, और वो पूरे दिन उन पेड़ों की छाया में खेलती थी. Like Amrita, other children also had their special tree. अमृता की तरह दूसरे भी बच्चों के एक खास पेड़ होते थे. They would play for hours in the shade of the trees, और वो यानी ये पेड़ों की छाया में खेलना पसंद करते थे. Let's discuss about trees. Is there a place near your house, school, or along the roadside where trees have been planted? Yes, trees have been planted and grown in the compound of my house, in our society garden, and in my school, and as well as on both sides of the roads. Next question: why do you plant trees? Why do you plant trees? As we discussed, we get many benefits on planting trees. Trees purify the air, trees bring rain, and trees gives us many things like fruits, flowers, vegetables, and wood for furniture, and it gives shade too, and it cleans the environment and it keeps the environment green. Trees provide us many medicines also, and trees provide homes to various birds and animals. Therefore we plant trees. Next one: have you seen anyone watering plants, and who does this? Yes, in the garden of my society I have seen a gardener who is watering the plant. Have you seen fruits on any of the tree? Who eats this fruit? Yes, I have seen fruits on the guava, chiku, pomegranate, apple, mango, and coconut tree. And who eats this fruit? So these fruits are usually eaten by human beings and by animals and birds too. I hope you understood what I told you in this video about Amrita, who was Amrita, and about the importance of plants. Remaining part of this chapter we will learn in next video. I will share PDF of this chapter in our WhatsApp group, and we will meet soon in our online session to solve your doubts and queries. Thank you and have a nice day.